This lantern cost $100. This one, just $5. This candle cost $27. This one, just $5. On today's episode, I'm sharing with you 10 of my most favorite home and decor items from the Dollar Tree. These items look crazy high-end, but are on a Dollar Tree budget. A big thank you to Thrive Market. I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite items from there as well. Before we get started, I want to talk about the Dollar Tree price increases that they recently had, and I want to just kind of dispel any rumors. I mean, this is based off of my research. There might be more information out there. I am not the Dollar Tree connoisseur, knower of all things, but here's what I've heard is that most of the items are staying $1.25. There are a few items that have increased, and namely aluminum foil has gone up to $1.75 and bread apparently has gone up to $1.50, but I also did see some bread for $3. To me, that's like not a great deal, and I don't really get my groceries from the Dollar Tree anyway. Also, I think they are increasing some of their $3 and $5 items that they increased when they introduced the Dollar Tree Plus section, which I think overall has been a huge value add, and I'll get into that in just a second. Additionally, and I have not seen this in my area, so you'll have to let me know if you've seen it in yours. They have introduced $7 items, and I cannot wait to find out what you can get for $7, because some of the items that I'm sharing with you today have my mind blown, and so much so that I have enough to make a few episodes of these. So if you really like what you see today and you want to see some more of my favorites, you're gonna have to let me know by hitting that like button and letting me know in the comment section below, because I don't do like a ton of Dollar Tree content. And when I do, I wanna make sure it's really, really valuable. And I made one of these videos a few years ago and you loved it. So let's get started. We are gonna start with the Pottery Barn knockoff lantern here, and they actually have several lanterns, and maybe I'll share some of those other ones in an upcoming episode. This one is my favorite. It comes in the black color and this gold color, and in this large size and this kind of smaller size. This size is $5. This size is $3. They are such a good dupe for this Pottery Barn one. For like a similar size to this one is $100, and this one is just $5. You could spend $100, and I'm sure the thickness of the metal and the weight of it is very, very nice. But I'm telling you, once you add a candle and dress it up a little bit, nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. And I just think it's so high end. I think they even have one on Grandin Road that's similar, and I think it's even more expensive than the Pottery Barn version. It looks just the same. I would say buy this $5 version, put a little bit of something in it and dress it up. Save yourself the $95 to $130 by going with this version. Now, I dress mine up with these amber pillar light candles. This is the small one. I use the taller ones. This one's a 3x4 inch. And just to give you an idea on those, I found one of the size that I used in this lantern for $20. And then most of the time you can find some on Amazon, but they're like, you have to buy them in a pack of 3, and they're the varying sizes, and they're still gonna cost you, $10 to $15 a piece. So you could spend like the $20 on the larger size and just get the one, or you could buy them in a set of 3 at the varying sizes for $25, $30 on Amazon, or maybe even up to $35, so $25 to $35. Or you could get this one for $1.25. They had one that was a $3 version. I don't know if they just have the 2 sizes at Dollar Tree. That's all they had at my local Dollar Tree. That lantern, it really elevated the look. Now I threw in a couple of faux wisteria leaves in there to just add a little bit of something extra. And I feel like this was such a high-end look without the high-end price tag. Saving yourself hundreds of dollars in the whole scheme of things, it's amazing. So that's what I mean, like with them raising their prices across the board, when everything a minimum of $1.25. But when they added the $3 and $5 items in there, what they had to offer as a selection was so amazing, and I'm so glad that they did it. Now, would I have liked to have it all for $1? Of course, and that's not a sustaining business plan, and we want to keep them in business, especially if they're going to continue to improve the selections they have. So I'm overall excited. So these next 2 items that I'm gonna share with you, I've shared with you in a previous episode, a couple of episodes ago, and they are some of the best Dollar Tree items that I've seen ever. And that is this frame. And this one has been dressed up, and this frame. So these two frames are on my must-have Dollar Tree list. When you get them, they come in kind of more of this like bright gold color, and it looks like a chalkboard, but really you could use it as a chalkboard or you could use it as just a frame, and that's what we did here. And we just put in some artwork on an episode, and I also took some antiquing glaze, antiqued it so it was just a little bit more subtle, and then I also, I believe, went back in with a little bit of rub and buff to just add some texture and dimension, because it is very kind of, I wouldn't say cheap, but it doesn't have the richness and depth of just adding those couple of extra steps. Now, I found similar frames to this and a very similar size on Amazon for about $20 to $25. For one like this, you're gonna be looking more like $15, but this one I do think is a little bit more elevated of a look than this one, but both of them are really, really great. And I love to mix and match frames, and I can definitely see myself doing a lot of different things with these frames coming up in the future. So if you wanna see me do more ideas with these, let me know. So $15 to $25, or just go to Dollar Tree, get theirs, spend $1.25, do a little bit of extra work to add a little bit more texture and depth, and you will have a high-end look. I don't know if you have seen these beautiful wood spoons in your Dollar Tree lately, but they are super nice, and they immediately spoke Williams-Sonoma to me. You can get one of these for $1.25 each. These are so much nicer than the bamboo ones that I have been using for years from there. These are so much nicer, and they are the same price for $1.25 each. So all four of these spoons, $5.25. I found a set very similar from Williams-Sonoma for $90. So $90 or $5, I will take these. And if you have like a laser etcher, you could maybe laser etch something into the handle, because that was really the only thing I noticed. I don't think it's that big of a deal. For that price, I think it's fantastic. Also, like, I went into my Home Goods and looked at some similar wood spoons. They were at least $3 a piece. So still a much better deal to get these ones from the Dollar Tree. And by the way, these wood spoons would be great as a gift. Throw it in with some other tea towels and other things. These look so high-end. They do not read Dollar Tree at all to me. They look so nice. So I love these. It's here. So my package just got here, and I cannot wait to share with you my finds, because I have actually been shopping with Thrive for years now. What I love about them is that they're healthy, and I don't have to like worry about my labels or anything like that. As many of you know, I got sick a few years ago, and that really kicked things into high gear on eating healthier and being more aware of what's in my food and all of that. However, I've kind of been obsessed with that for years now. Anybody who's known me for a while knows that I am all about trying to be healthy, but I'm not always the best. So Thrive Market makes it easier because all their products are non-GMO. I don't have to like worry about reading the labels, because I know everything that I'm getting there is going to be healthy. And so this is like a typical order that I get. So I cannot wait to share it with you. So first of all, I love these late July chips. I love these. These taste really, really good. In here somewhere, I ordered some salsa, and I really want to try it out. This one's organic cinnamon. I love cinnamon on everything. And by the way, their shipping is carbon neutral, so that's kind of cool. And then this is balsamic vinegar by their brand, and it's really, really good. Okay, this is their olive oil. This is the olive oil I use exclusively. I have used it for years. And then this is some bone broth, or chicken bone broth that I like. Is this the salsa for the chips? We're gonna get to it, I think. Yes, it is. Okay, so organic salsa medium. So I cannot wait to try that. And then I got some protein pancake mix for my boys. My boys love this mac and cheese. This is Annie's mac and cheese, white cheddar. I tricked them into eating this instead of the Kraft stuff years ago, and they ended up liking it, so I was happy about that. Now, this is something that I have paid for in store before, and I didn't realize that they sold it on Thrive. I think I spent $5.84 right now for this poppy. And in the stores, this is like at least double, like at my grocery store. I wanted to try their sugar-free chocolate pudding, so I ordered that. And then organic pure vanilla and some amber syrup for the pancake mix. The one thing that I must have forgot to hit purchase on was the sourdough bread, which is totally fine. I'm gonna order it right now. If you order over, I think it's like $49, shipping is free, so, and it's fast. And then we're gonna taste test the salsa and chips. Okay, so we're gonna just pour in, ooh, this smells good. Oh, it smells really good. I'm gonna try the lime ones. I'm gonna try this with the lime. Oh, the lime, hello. Both of these smell amazing. So let's try this out. Oh my Lord, that is so good. So if you wanna give this a try, make sure you click on my link below, get 30% off your first order, plus a $60 free gift. You're gonna love it too, and give it a try. I'm gonna have to take a little snack break. Next up, I found this basket for $5, and I immediately thought this has a Pottery Barn feel. I loved the natural bottom and then the white top. It looks clean, it looks high-end, and I thought this would be awesome for organization. They also have some other baskets that I would like to share with you in future episodes, but this one I think was my favorite, and I couldn't find one of these on Pottery Barn. Maybe they had them in the past and they discontinued. I still think that they are a beautiful, nice look, but I was able to find something near identical on Amazon for $15. And honestly, I kind of like this one better. I think it's a little bit taller. I think you could use these as like organization in your closet. You could use these in your bathroom to put some towels in and hold some bath supplies. I just styled mine up with a little greenery and a couple rolled up towels. This would also make the most beautiful gift basket. You could do like a baking thing, put your wood spoons in here, some tea towels, and turn it into the most beautiful gift. I love this for $5. Totally cannot believe it's only $5, and I highly recommend it. Next up is this vase. Okay, first of all, they have a lot of really awesome vases that I want to share with you coming up, but this one is my favorite, and I love it because it is so substantial. It's heavy. It's kind of got a thick, heavy bottom. It doesn't look cheap or chintzy in any ways, and you could definitely find a vase like this at like West Elm, CB2 for like $20. This is a vase that they use all the time in Pottery Barn arrangements, and they do like the epoxy arrangements. They do like the small floral ones. I've done one of these like in the past as a dupe many years ago, like with peonies and all of that. $3. And those arrangements that they sell on Pottery Barn are usually like well over $100, and some of them into the $300, maybe not for this size. You could easily expect to pay $20 for this. This is really high quality, and this one was just $3. It's a steal. I love this vase. It's very substantial and beautiful. It's actually a steal. The next item is right behind me, and it's gonna probably take up the entire screen, so hold on. I'm excited about these because these were such a cool find that I didn't even know that they had until I was going to make this episode here. So they have these planner boards, these dry erase boards. I've got this upside down, whoops. Okay, so they have this one that's a monthly one, and this one is a weekly planner. It's got some magnets, and then both of them come with a dry eraser marker and also like a little cork board that you can do push pins for little notes and things. These things normally retail for like between, I would say $30 and $50 is what I found online each. $30 and $50 each. I got these for $5 a piece at the Dollar Tree. I think these are such a cool find. You know, they've kind of got a plain outside border, but you could spray paint that gold, or you could build a frame for it. Maybe we should build a frame for these. I don't know. I'm gonna be using these in my hallway to do a little bit more planning. I am desperately trying to get more organized and on top of things. The struggle is real. I am like constantly struggling with organization. I've got a creative brain, so it just is all over the place all the time, and I need to get a lot of the stuff that I'm trying to store in my brain onto something like this and get way more organized. And we are going to use this to plan our weekly menus and chores, and then for the monthly one, our trips and our activities and all of that, so we kind of have a better handle. And so I'm going to put it in a place where everybody can easily access it. And I think rather than spending $30 to $50 a piece on them, get the ones from the Dollar Tree for $5 a piece. They're just beautiful and nice, and at $5 I think it's a steal. Next up, this is such a cool find. So do you see this candle here burning behind me? Stunning. So beautiful, high-end, classy looking. They have a few different colors and scents at my local Dollar Tree. The white one's like a pomegranate, and then they had this sandalwood one, and I have tried all three out and they smell really good. Now they say highly fragranced on the front of these. What I will say, they are not as pungent as other ones that I purchased, but sometimes the other ones are like way overboard and I have to end up blowing them out because I'm like, whoa, that is way too intense. These ones are just really nice and pleasant. These are $5, okay? And I just want to put them side by side with the White Barn from Bath & Body Works. Near identical. I actually prefer the lid of the Dollar Tree one. I loved the brushed gold versus like the shiny gold. Plus this has embossed on the top. I mean, it's good for their branding. But in this case, because there's nothing on top, when we're done burning the candle, you could remove the label and put on like a little knob and turn it into a beautiful decorative jar, which is kind of what I'm thinking and planning on doing. This one's $5. This is $27 normally. Now they do put these on sale, but even with the sale that they've got currently as of the time of recording this, it's $17. So $5 versus $17 on sale, or $27 normally. You can't really tell the difference, honestly. I think this looks every bit as classy, maybe even a little bit more elevated. This scent is gonna be a little bit stronger, but this one is still very nice. It does not smell chemical-y, it doesn't smell cheap. You know, some of those candles can smell like kind of, I don't know, just off. These do not. These smell really good. I love these and highly recommend them. Next up is this little acrylic bud vase, or is what they call it. I think it's like, they call it a 6-slot floral vase. It's made of acrylic. I did not see these online, but I have seen these in store. They're in the craft section, so if you're going and trying to find them. I found a lot of these acrylic pieces. They're like 12 to 18 hole ones, so they're a little bit longer. There's an 18 hole one that was on sale for $75 for an acrylic thing just like this on Wayfair. So you could get 3 of them and just line them up against each other and spend $3.75 versus $75. Nobody's gonna care that they're like not one all long one. These make great like centerpieces for like if you've got weddings coming up, bridal showers, birthday parties, whatnot. Perfect for just kind of like a low arrangement so that you can still see each other, right? My favorite thing that I've seen people do with this, and what I did with mine, is I took some Dollar Tree pearls. I don't know if they still sell those in store. Hopefully they do. I didn't see them in my local Dollar Tree, but I luckily had some on hand. Fill it up with like their craft pearls, and then you put your like makeup brushes in it. And it's just a really pretty display. And it kind of matched that soap pump that we made a few years ago on my channel that has the pearls and the flowers in it, that if you remember that one, if you've been watching my channel for a while. But it is really cool. $1.25 for one. Don't spend the extra money on it. You can get it at Dollar Tree. So those are just 10 of the high-end designer looking dupes that are in like the home and decor category at Dollar Tree right now that I am just loving and think you should go buy. Totally like couldn't recommend any of these things more. They're awesome. Let me know in the comment section below which one of these items was your favorite. I think I'm on Team Lantern, but I think the candles and the frames give it a run for its money too. And if you want to give your kitchen an upgrade and your pantry an upgrade, make sure you check out Thrive Market. Use my link in the description box below and that will get you 30% off your first order plus a free gift with a $60 value. It's like win-win-win. Everybody likes free stuff, but what I really like is saving money on the quality of groceries that I want, and Thrive Market, I'm all about them. Now, if you enjoyed this episode and want to check out some of my older Dollar Tree favorites, check this video out right there. And just as a reminder to all of you that you are powerful. We'll see you next time. Bye.